Vodka has been in business, gosh, going on 7 years now. Next year will be our 7-year anniversary. So our CEO is a chef, Todd Manley. During Irma and Maria, during those hurricanes, he wanted to make something sustainable. There was no power, and thought, well, what if I experiment with breadfruit? He loved cooking with breadfruit, him being a chef, and breadfruit is known as the island potato. Traditional vodka is made with potatoes, so why not try vodka with breadfruit? So he literally got a Home Depot bucket, and in his kitchen, he cooked up some breadfruit and started fermenting it, and that's how it all got started. And 7 years later, we're here with an award-winning island vodka. What makes Mutiny Island Vodka unique is the fact that, number one, it's made with breadfruit. There is no other vodka made with breadfruit. We only have 3 ingredients in our vodka. So that's breadfruit, Caribbean rainwater, and yeast. That's it. When you sip this and smell this, it has such a smooth taste and such a, we call it like island in a bottle. We call it vacation vodka. So it doesn't smell like your traditional vodkas. It doesn't have that bite to it, that rubbing alcohol taste to it. It's very easy to sip, goes down slowly, and that's all due to the breadfruit. So those are the properties that sets us apart from other vodkas. Our partnership with the Buccaneer Hotel pretty much started day one from Mutiny Island Vodka's inception. The Armstrong family has been huge supporters of our brand and vice versa. And, you know, it's a perfect brand for the Buccaneer, with locals and visitors alike sipping this beautiful island vodka on their amazing beach, their amazing restaurants, and the bartenders are always so wonderful, and they're always so supportive of our brand, and we love hosting them here for special events as well. And it's just such a great partnership. We're so thankful for the Buccaneer and the Armstrong family. Yeah, Mutiny Island Vodka has won several awards. Gosh, we've got a double gold medal for the San Francisco Spirit Awards. We just got gold for the 50 best vodkas. We got an award for the California Bartenders Guild. The list goes on and on. So we're very proud of all the awards we won, and I'm sure there's many, many more to come. Thank you so much for supporting Mutiny Island Vodka. Please come visit us at the distillery. Free tours, delicious cocktails, amazing food, and last but not least, cheers, mutineers.